Hey everyone, it's Jeannie Marie, and it's the contest drawing time. I completed the coasters. I put an extra coat on them last night. Came out really pretty, and I've got the cork on the back. However, I think what I'm going to do is I'll probably mail them out by the end of the week. I just want to make sure they're cured good enough to whoever wins. And I've got the names in the hat, or actually not a hat, a bowl. So, not many in there. That's okay, though. I want to thank all my subscribers and let you know how much I appreciate you. The less there is, the more chance you have of winning. So here we go. I'm going to cover them up right here. Let me move this over a little bit so you can see. Whoops, one bounced out, two bounced out. Let's do this again. All right, picking one out. Ready? Here we go. Who is it? Pour me another one, Duggar. So, Doug, you get the prize this time. These beautiful coasters, which I love, and I hope you do too. And in the bottom below the video, you will see an email, so you can email me your address so I can get them shipped out towards the end of the week. Again, the winner is Pour Me Another One, Doug. Make sure you watch towards the end of this month. Of course, I'll be putting up some more before then, but towards the end of April for May's giveaway, I'm going to be giving away or doing another video towards the end of the month to show you what the prize will be for May. Anyway, thank everybody. I appreciate you again. I wanted you all to know that. And I'll see you soon. Everyone have a great week. Thank you and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.